Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, I'm coming at you with another video. That's another video, period. I know we're not in the kitchen today. I'm literally high as a kite right now. I'm not gonna hold you. And I just want to chill in my room. Literally just gonna use a makeup wipe, take off my stuff, put my serum on, my mask on, and chill and watch a movie while I have my face mask on. That's how I feel right now. So we have this right here. This is some tteokbokki, there we go, tteokbokki from BB.Q chicken. Yes, we have another BB.Q chicken review today. This right here retails for, I believe, $6.75. I will leave the stuff down below. What else is good? It looks like that. It has the spicy sauce that was on the rice cakes and the seaweed roll and the sausage that we had before. But yeah, so I have been watching freaking Cow Fire. It's not Cow Fire, it's called Fire Country, but the things in there is called Cow Fire. So I guess that's like a part of California. Yes, a part of California, because every place they go is California. So yeah. Did anyone see freaking 911 Lone Stars is back? I am like so shocked and I'm so happy that it's back. But the regular 911 is like gone. But yeah, so we have, it has eggs, it has rice cakes and fish cakes. I had fish cake before. But I didn't have it with the sauce. And it has scallions in here too. It's spicy. If you have a low spice intolerance, you're only gonna have like a couple bites of this and be good. If you have a medium one, you could have like half of this and be good. If you have like a good spice intolerance, this is nothing to you. Nothing to you. My cat is getting on my nerves. If you could hear him, I am so sorry. I'm trying to get, there we go. Rice cake. I love these so much. All right, egg. The egg with the sauce is good too. Ooh-wee. All right, so I got some rice here. Some rice, also from BB.Q. Chicken. Oh my God. There you go. I let my cat in here because that's what he wanted. Now he's playing with his toys. He just wanted to come in here to play with his toy. His ball is here. So I'm putting some of the rice in the sauce. Got some of that good sauce. I think it's that the rice counteracts the heat. For me. Some people like pickled radish, which is actually really good. You saw that, right? Got a demon cat. He playing with the air. Playing with the air. Is it a ghost in here? Another fish cake. It just slipped right out. I was like, I'm here. And then it just slipped right out. This is really good. Is that onion? It tastes like onion. There's onions in here. I did not know that. Oh, a fish cake and a rice cake combined. Yes. So good. This is a good meal. If you like spice, this is a good meal. If you don't like spice, then go to my next video coming up next week. I'm going to do the not spicy version of this. I'm going to test it out, see how it is, and all that jazz. Anyways, this is it. Basically, how I feel about this is that this is a hot dish. This is like 3 fires. I have a medium spice palette. I don't have a low tolerance of spice, but I do like spicy food. So this is like, I probably will eat only half of this and like the whole thing of rice. That's where I'm at right now. It just fell. Oh my gosh. It just fell. It almost fell all over my lap. But it fell all over my table, my desk. This is why you eat in the kitchen. Dang it. Anyways, that's it. That's how I feel about this food. That's all I want to eat right now. If you try to eat this food, you know you can't have spicy food. No, you're not allowed to have spicy food. So you know that this is not for you. I know you smell the fish, but it's not for you. It's human food. Alright, that's it for this video. It says video right here, video right here. Go check it out. And I give this BB.Q chicken a 3 out of 5. I like the other one better. You're gonna see that really soon. I'm trying to get him away, bitch. He trying me. Deuces.